Tower, the Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey is right downwind, a beam.
Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey, runway 09, clear touch and go, the wind 020 degrees at 07 knots.
Alright, clear touch and go for the Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey. Is it possible we can get a simulated engine failure on takeoff when we come in for this one?
That is approved.
Alright, cleared for the option, Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey. Turning, yes. Indy white arc, 10 flaps. Looking good. And we are cleared for final. I'll start making my turn now. 3 reds and 1 white. $80 knots, 500 feet per minute. And we maintain a glide slope. Looking good. Gums check. Gas is on the carriage locked and in place. Mixture is rich. Propeller is set. 20 degrees of flaps. And get the power out. Alright. Left aileron into the wind. Rudder to maintain center line. Power back. And arrest the descent, start the flare. Okay, smooth. Flaps up, 10. Full power. And up. East. Oil pressure, oil temperature is good. Alright, 300 feet. And engine failure on takeoff. Nose over. Full flaps. Power out. And maintain 70. And full power, laps at 10. Power up.
Hi guys, welcome back to One Awesome. I'm Sean. Well, I'm on my way to the Light Airplane Club. We're gonna do some touch and goes today. So it's a little cloudy outside, looks like it's gonna rain, but nothing stops us from flying. So I'll see you when we get there.
Good morning, Adams Ground, Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey.
Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey, Adams Ground.
Hi, good morning, ma'am. The Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey, Cessna 172, ready at the southern round. We have an X-ray. We'd like to taxi to Juliet. Departure, we're staying in the circuit. Just know some touch and goes.
Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey, taxi to holding point, taxiway, Juliet, runway 09, use time 50.
All right, taxi to Juliet, Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey. All right, so we are at Juliet. American Airlines is taking off. Rotate at 55. VY is 75 knots.
Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey, squawk 1001.
All right, 1001 in the box for the Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey.
Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey, squawk is correct. Contact tower 118.7.
Good morning, Adam Star, Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey, holding out Juliet. We're ready for departure.
Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey, line up and wait.
Line up and wait for the Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey. All right, center line.
Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey, runway 09, clear takeoff, wind 040 degrees at 11 knots, caution wait from proceeding the median aircraft.
All right, left turn approve after takeoff, yeah, Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey. All right, heels to the floor. Full power. Okay. Oil temperature, oil pressure is good. Speed is 5 and off the ground. Zero 40. Wind coming out the left. Didn't use any flaps.
Adam Star, good morning, November 745 Kilo Delta on Alpha to Bravo. Runway 09er, we are fully ready for departure.
November 745 Kilo Delta, roger. Runway 09er, clear takeoff. The wind 040 degrees at 09 and knots. Be advised we have traffic 9 miles out.
Alright, let's go to the left. Alright, standard return.
745 Kilo Delta, early right turn approved Jalada. Airborne time 03, contact Adams departure 129er decimal 35.
Early right turn approved, 129er 35, 745 Kilo Delta.
Adam Star, Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey, beam left downwind.
Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey, roger, confirm you have the landing ATR in sight.
Tower, we have the dash air traffic, sorry, the air traffic in sight now.
Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey, roger, follow number 2, report on final.
Alright, number 2, report on final for the Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey. Okay, now we can make our turn final because this wind is going to push us with the right wind coming out from the left hand side. So I'll continue a nice descent. We're looking good, a little low, 3 reds and 1 white. So let's arrest that descent. Alright, light slow coming in.
Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey, runway 09er, continue approach.
Continue approach with the Papa Bravo Alpha Whiskey. Alright, 2 whites, 2 reds. Alright, better down. 3 whites and 3 reds, 1 white. That's not terrible. Coming back in. Center line, center line, center line, center line. Yeah, looking good. Alright, at this stage, gas is on. Both on the carriage locked and in place. Mixture is rich, propeller is set. Switches are on, harness secure. Alright, get the power out. Continue descent. Alright. Left wing. Into the wind. Continue down. Looking good. Alright. And power back. Power back. Start a flare. Alright. Clean up the aircraft, flaps up. Left aileron into the wind, control. Looking good.